everyone! Today I want to share an idea for decorating an envelope and an insert. So let's get started. I chose some vintage style paper and picked a matching illustration. Of course, I will need some glue. I am sticking the image right in the center of the insert. I have some fitting stickers for the decoration. You can really use any stickers you like here. I chose the stickers because I felt they would enhance the look of my project. Oh, these are my new washi tapes in soft green tones. They will add a splash of color. They stick really nicely. Then I wanted to add more natural themed stickers. Now I'm folding the insert to place it into the envelope and seal it. But first I will decorate the envelope a bit, adding some gentle pink touches. I needed to prepare the supplies for melting the sealing wax. My tip is to create contrast by stamping right on the envelope when picking colors. It's very important not to overheat the wax. Wow, I love watching the colors melt and blend together. I prepared some contrasting green leaves to decorate my envelope even more. I am carefully pouring the wax onto the seal. Now I press the seal before the wax hardens. And after a little while, our seal is ready. It's always important to know when to stop adding stickers. And voila! This is how my envelope looks now. It is ready. Now everything's set to send out the gift.